Hi everyone, welcome to Take My Life. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable FaceTime on iPhone. So let's jump right in. First, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on the Apps option. Find and tap the FaceTime option. Here, tap on the toggle switch next to FaceTime option to turn it on. When the switch turns green, FaceTime is enabled on your iPhone. You can now make video calls to your friends and family using FaceTime. And this is how you can enable FaceTime on iPhone. Thank you for watching Take My Life. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.